Man, look at the size of this wrap. Man, look. Try this one, let's see. That is so good. Man, that's so good. Come on now. Woo! All right, guys, I'm back with another meal idea. It doesn't matter what diet you're on. You gotta eat this. You have to try it. I guarantee you're gonna like this one. This one is full of flavor. Man, there's so much flavor in it. You gotta try this one. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Go get the ingredients. I'm gonna show you exactly what to get. Hopefully your store carries all these ingredients. If it doesn't, just work around it. But this right here, I made it the other day and man, it tasted great. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's so easy. It's gonna get you almost 50 grams of protein. You can't beat that. You can keep it low carb if you want. You can add rice if you don't mind carbs. I'm gonna use a low carb wrap. If you don't wanna use that, you can use lettuce wraps. Like I said, you can use rice if you want to. You can use cauliflower rice if you're trying to go low carb, if you're on more of a keto style diet. I'm gonna use chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you wanna go with the leaner chicken or a leaner protein. Whichever way you wanna do it, however it fits into your diet, this will fit into any diet. Now make sure you're measuring the ingredients out like I always say. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it, if you've tried something like this. All these comments are really helping out. I think it's helping everybody out, right? This channel is to really help us all out, okay? So let's all keep providing these comments. I mean, they're great. Let me show you the ingredients. This one's easy. I mean, you're gonna have to make this one. Check it out. First of all, I'm gonna use chicken thighs. Okay, you don't have to use chicken thighs if you don't want to. You can go with chicken breast, that's fine. I'm gonna use chicken thighs. I'm gonna cook the chicken thighs in this avocado oil. All right, if you wanna use olive oil, that's fine. I'm using avocado oil. I'm gonna use some of this Jamaican dried jerk seasoning. Going with the Raging Cajun chicken and gator seasoning. This right here. Man, you gotta find this Grace's Jamaican style jerk barbecue sauce. This will transform your meals, I promise you, all right? Now watch out how much you put on there though. You gotta make sure you measure it out, okay? But I'm gonna show you here in just a second how to do it. And this is a secret, guys. This is my new favorite right here, Local Hive Hot Honey. You wanna turn your meals into something serious? Put a little bit of this on there and man, it tastes so good with all this stuff right here. This is gonna set it off right here. This hot honey, I found this at Kroger. I've also seen it at Walmart, so go check this out if you can find it. That's the secret right there, boy, I'm telling you. A wrap, I'm gonna go with the Extreme Wellness Zero Net Carb Wrap. You don't have to use a wrap if you don't like the wraps or you don't like the ingredients. Don't worry about it. Just like I said, you can use a lettuce wrap. You can put it over rice. You can put it over cauliflower rice. You can use just vegetables if you want to, that's fine. Speaking of vegetables, I'm gonna also saute a little bit of 3-onion pepper blend, okay? Pepper and onion blend, I guess you could say. I'm gonna put this inside of the wrap as well, just to give it some more vegetables, give it a little more flavor. And once again, I'm using chicken thighs, all right? So let's cook this up. All right, let me show you what we're working with here. Ooh, buddy, come on now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with this seasoning right here first. Hit those little guys with that. Show some love. I'm gonna hit it with that chicken and gator real quick. Get a little of that on there. Now, I'm gonna put some of this barbecue sauce. This right here, find you some of this. I promise you, just go find it, okay? I found that one, I got that one at Kroger. So what I like to do is just put a little bit, of course measure it out, and then you just slap it on there. Slap it on the, man, it smells so good already. I'm telling you guys, you better try this one. You gotta try this. Let me know whenever you try it. Thank me later. Look at that. Oh man, it smells so good. It's almost, I mean, the chicken does not take long to cook, okay? So that's what I do. I'm gonna cover it back up for a few more minutes. Also have the peppers going in another little pan right here, so those will be ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this back up. Right back. All right, guys, I think it's time to show the other side some love too. Woo, come on now. Okay, let's go ahead and flip these jokers over. We're gonna show the other side some love too. Same spices, just a little bit. Chicken and gator seasoning. Not that one. Oh man. Just gonna hit it with the barbecue sauce. The jerk barbecue sauce. Look at that. Gotta show each side some love. There we go. Put it on the chicken. Man, guys, this smells so good. I'm telling you. I had this the other day and it's, man, be careful because you might just want to keep eating all this. This is a great lunch, dinner idea. All right, guys, a little pro tip to heat your tortilla up. Throw that joker on there. Just leave it on there for a little bit. What it's gonna do, it's gonna get the flavor inside of the tortilla. You don't even need to heat it up anywhere else. Put it on top of the chicken or whatever meat that you're cooking. Always put the tortilla on there just to heat it up for a little bit, and then it's already got the flavor in the tortilla. So that's just a little pro tip. I do it all the time. Look at that. Boom. There you go. Now you got some flavor. It's still steaming right there. We're gonna take this chicken off. Time to cut it up, throw it in there. We're good to go. It's time to eat. Come on. All right, guys, here we got it. We got the chicken still sizzling. We'll go ahead and cut it up. Those little chickens out here. Man, this smells so good. I'm telling you. Man, this chicken just cuts up so good. It just splits up so easily. Remember, this is a little over 8 ounces of chicken thighs. I weighed it out, so it came out to a little bit over 8 ounces. I'm gonna go ahead and put my veggies, my 3-pepper blend. Pop that on there. So then you just got this right here, all right? Do not forget about this. That hot honey, see that there? That's something serious right there. So what I like to do is to put a little bit on this tortilla, just a little bit. Just throw your chicken on there. Boy, man, it smells so good. You can also put some of this hot honey on top of that chicken. Just go for it, all right? Look at that. Let's go ahead and just drizzle a little of that on there. Ooh, buddy, come on now. I don't get too much with it, but that's it, that hot honey. If you find this, go get it. Keep it in stock. You will be using this. But look, I mean, that's it right there. I made this in minutes. Chicken thighs, seasoned up, whatever you want to do, whatever fits your own macros. Remember, your macros are your proteins, your fats, and your carbs. But man, this smells so good. I had that pepper blend, that frozen bag of peppers. I keep that in the freezer, obviously. So I keep those peppers in the freezer 4 times like this when I just need a little bit just to throw in a wrap or to throw in some rice or something like that. So this is coming in at around like 340 calories, around 15 grams of fat and 50 grams of protein. I mean, you cannot beat that. Look at that. And it's got that hot honey on there that just sets it off. All right, try this out, comment, let me know what you think. You got to try this one. You just got to try it. You get you some of this, okay? Get you some of this hot honey, all right? You will be using it because, I don't know, just go try it, let me know, or if you have tried it, let me know, because man, it is so good, I promise you, okay? Like I said, I found this one at Kroger. I've also seen it at Walmart too. So go get you some. Next time you're at the store, make sure you pick up some of this and be like, yeah, I'm gonna check it out, especially if you like little spicy stuff, okay? 50 grams of protein right here, man, you cannot beat it. All right, like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'm gonna keep coming. As soon as I think of things and I eat it, I'm gonna come show you, and I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know the real. All right, if it tastes good or not. And I guarantee you this one tastes good. So let's keep getting better. Let's go.